As the Web3 world evolves, so does Skynet. 88% of projects present for an audit with centralization risks, and only 15% resolve these entirely. We flag these risks in our audit reports, but we can't force projects to resolve them. Rug pulls, which exploit centralization risks, accounted for $207 million of losses last year. They're a consistent concern in Web3, and we heard your frustration loud and clear. Now, Skynet has leveled up, putting centralization risk front and center. Skynet's enhanced interface now features a centralization overview widget, prominently displaying potential centralization issues right where you can't miss it. From token distribution, contract upgrades, privileged roles, to other impactful operations, we've got it all covered. Dig deeper with the detailed centralization scanning dashboard, offering an array of new metrics to help gauge a project's centralization level. We've also added a website security scan, GitHub monitoring, project maturity metrics, token holder analysis, and more, all combining to deepen Skynet's security insights. With this new emphasis on calling out centralization risk, Skynet isn't just keeping pace with the Web3 landscape, it's leading the way. Experience the new Skynet today. CertiK, securing the Web3 world.